To create a trip in TravelJoy, click the pink Create button at the top left corner, then click Trip. From there, you can choose a new client by giving them a first and last name and email address, or choose a client that's already in your list as the primary traveler. In this case, we'll choose Amanda Lynn, and we'll give her trip a name. We'll call this one Vegas or Bust. Next, to help get the client excited about their trip, we'll choose a photo relevant to where they're going. For example, here we can search Las Vegas and choose the infamous Vegas sign. This will appear at the top of all of their forms, proposals, and invoices. From here, optionally, you can fill in a few more trip details, such as the trip's start and end date, destination, total budget, and the number of travelers. When you've completed setting up the trip, you can click the Create Trip button to create the trip and go to the trip's homepage.